Quick demonstration of the basic functionality of Eval Villain. Here Eval Villain is already installed, we turn it on, and then we open the developer tools. Make sure we're in the console, and then refresh our target page. Eval Villain, first of all, lets us know that it's executing in the target page. Second, it tells us that a single inner HTML call was found that seems to be interesting. It also gives us the URL that caused that call to occur. This is useful if there's multiple iframes. We'll know which URL made the call. This entire console group has all the information for this single call. If multiple calls occurred, other console groups would be shown. In this case, only a single argument was provided to this inner HTML. After the argument section is the interest section. Eval Villain found that the P query parameter containing BMOTWIZ, you can see it up here, was injected, found as a substring inside of the inner HTML call twice. To test if this is an actual vulnerability, we need to add our payload. We get the pop-up as expected, but Eval Villain tells us where the vulnerability actually occurred. The first injection point was benign. It was sanitized. The second injection point is where the vulnerability actually occurs. This allows us to notify our client exactly where the vulnerability is without miscommunication, without a second back and forth or accusations of false positives. Second of all, the stack trace not only allows us to help our customer find the vulnerability, but it allows us to quickly backtrace into the sanitization algorithm to find out if it's robust or whether we can bypass it.